What you can also do in Microsoft Windows 11 is partition out drives. So if I were to open up the File Explorer right here and go to this PC, you'll be able to see that TutorTube is one single drive right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this out. So this is a drive of 29 GB right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around onto the start menu, and if I were to type in disk management, let me just go around right here, type in disk management, then what happens is that you get this option called create and format hard drive partition, as you can see right here. So if you were to go around and open this out, you have the disk management option, as you can see, and you can see all the partitions that are there in your computer. So in my case, you can see that on my disk 0, you can see that I have 4 partitions right here. On disk 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 partitions, and so forth, as you can see. But on the disk 4, I have only 1 partition. So if you want to divide this out, you can right click over here and just delete out the volume. So once you delete out the volume, what happens is that everything becomes unallocated right here. So you don't even see anything over here on this PC, as you can see right here. You just see that it is FAT32 and no spaces allocated for this one. But if I were to go around and right click, you can see that you can click on new simple volume right here and click on next, and you can determine how much space you want. So let's say I want around 10,000 megabytes right here. So I'm just going to go around and press next right here. You can assign a drive letter to it. So I'm just going to leave it to default. Click next right here. You can choose what file system you want over here. Click next and click finish. And what happens is that you can see that 9.77, that is around 10,000 megabyte has been assigned to this new volume right here. So if I were to go around over here on this PC, you can see that now this is 9.75. I can also go around over here, create a new simple volume right here. So let me just assign out, let's say, for example, 5,000 megabytes right here. So just gonna go around and press finish right here. So now there's another partition over here. So it is actually allocating out that space. And you can see that new volume has been assigned. So now I'm going to create another volume over here. So just going to go around and press next, and that will allocate the rest of the drive over here as well. And you can see that the rest of the drive is being allocated as well. And you can see the reflection over here. So if I were to go around over here, you can see 3 new volumes right here, which has been divided out, as you can see. If you want to turn this into a single volume, again, you can simply go around, delete the volume, press yes right here. And I'm just going to go around, delete the volume over here again, and then delete out this volume over here again. So you again have an unallocated space. So now you can right click over here, click on new simple volume, simply press next a few times. And what happens is that it'll create an entire drive just like it was before. And you can see that this is what you have over here. So you can see that now if I were to go around now, it is again a single most volume right here. So if I were to go around over here, you will be able to see that now it's a single volume of 29.2 gigabytes, just like that. But when you actually repartition, what happens is that you do lose your file. So you completely have to erase out everything on the drive in order to partition it. And that is how you can partition out drives inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.